This is the elevator at Eastwick College. Supposedly it's a Lexan. Let's see if it's here. Yes! Yes! Oh! Oh, I hope that works. Look at this. It doesn't work. That was an epic motor. Look at this. This is worth checking out. Nice elevator. Might have been painted. Looks like it was. Unfortunately, that little indicator does not work. Wow, this is awesome. There's an ADA phone added. Here's your alarm. Here's your inch controls. 2,000 pounds. I wish that this worked because this is my first time seeing this indicator. This thing makes all kinds of weird noises, doesn't it? I love this. This is worth checking out. There it goes, and that's it.